In this video, you will learn how to create manual invoices and receipts for your members using Yogapify. Manual invoices are useful when the automatic invoice feature of Yogapify is not sufficient. For example, to settle an odd amount with a member or to raise an invoice for services rendered to institutions such as schools or corporate organizations. Start from the dashboard and click on Payment and Invoice from the left side menu. This is where all your billing and payment records are managed. Click on Create Manual Invoice to open the Member Invoice Details page, where you can generate an invoice manually. The Invoice From section displays your company details. These details are automatically fetched from the Business Details section of your landing page, ensuring consistency across all invoices. The invoice number is generated automatically and cannot be edited. Select the invoice date and due date using the calendar options to keep your billing records accurate. Next, select the member from the Invoice To drop-down. You can search or scroll to find the member. If it is someone new, first go to the membership module and add that person as a member. Once selected, the billing details are filled automatically. The shipping details can be edited as necessary. Add the service description such as a yoga batch, personal training, or a product from your studio. Enter the quantity and rate. If you apply a discount, the net amount is calculated automatically. You can add more than one service to the same invoice by clicking the Add option. Each time you click Add, a new service row appears where you can enter additional service details. If you want to remove a service, simply click the Remove or minus icon next to that service. This allows you to easily manage multiple items before saving the invoice. GST is optional. For most new and early-stage yoga businesses, GST is not applicable. GST becomes applicable only if your annual turnover exceeds Rs 20 lakhs. You must first apply for a GST registration certificate before you begin charging GST. Please note that Yogapify does not track whether you are required to charge GST or not. If GST is applicable, enter the GST percentage. For manual invoices, you should be aware of the CGST and SGST versus IGST rule. The key point to remember is that if the receiver of your service is in the same state, CGST and SGST will apply equally. If the receiver is in a different state, IGST will apply. Currently, yoga services attract 9% CGST and 9% SGST or 18% IGST. Enter these rates in the appropriate fields and the rest of the calculations will be done automatically. You can add a receipt number and remarks if needed. If you are charging GST, then in the remarks field, you need to mention the HSN code of the service for which GST is charged. For yoga classes, the HSN code is 999723. In this case, simply mention HSN code 999723 in the remarks field. If you are not charging GST, you can use this field to add notes such as advance payment for an upcoming batch, partial payment received, a special discount applied, or even a simple thank you note. The payment amount in words is updated automatically based on the entered value. The subtotal, tax amount, round off, and final invoice value are calculated automatically for accuracy. Click Exit to close without saving. Click Save Invoice to store the invoice for your records, or click Save and Send Invoice to immediately send it to the member. Now let's create a manual receipt. Click on Create Manual Receipt to record a payment received from a member that is not covered by auto invoices. Please note that Yogapify's auto invoice also acts as a receipt as mentioned on the document. Manual receipts, like manual invoices, are used for cases not covered by auto invoices or when institutions such as schools or corporate organizations request a special receipt for payments made to you. Enter the receipt date, choose the currency, and enter the amount received. Select the member from the Receipt To drop-down. If the person is new, first go to the Membership module and add the member. Then, choose the payment mode used for this transaction. If there is a reference number or any additional remarks, you can add them here. Both fields are optional but useful for future tracking. Click Exit to close without saving. Click Save Receipt to store it, or click Save and Send Receipt to share it instantly with the member. With Yogapify, manual invoicing and receipt management become simple, accurate, and professional.